Welcome to Uncovered. Crows are everywhere. Most people think they're just noisy blackbirds. Annoying, common, forgettable. But that belief couldn't be more wrong, because nothing about crows is normal. They recognize human faces. They remember enemies for years. They plan for the future, and they may be smarter than some primates. Today, you're about to discover why crows are one of the most intelligent and mysterious creatures on Earth. Crows have one of the highest brain-to-body ratios in the animal kingdom, similar to great apes. They can solve multi-step puzzles. They understand cause and effect. They can even create tools. In laboratory experiments, crows bent wires into hooks to retrieve food. No training, no instructions. Just intelligence. That's not instinct. That's thinking. They remember you. Crows never forget a face. Scientists discovered that if a person harms or threatens a crow, that crow will remember them for years. Not only that, they warn other crows. Entire groups learn to recognize the same human face and react aggressively. Some people were attacked by crows. Years later, after a single bad encounter, to a crow, you're either a friend or an enemy forever. Crows hold funerals. When a crow dies, others gather around the body. They don't eat. They don't fight. They observe. They communicate. This behavior is known as a crow funeral. Scientists believe these gatherings are not emotional mourning, but learning events. Crows analyze the death. They identify danger. They remember the location. In simple terms, they study death to survive life. Masters of tools and tricks. Crows use tools in the wild. Sticks to pull insects from holes. Leaves shaped into hooks. Even traffic. In some cities, crows drop nuts onto roads and wait for cars to crush them. Then they wait for the traffic light. Green light. Cars move. Red light, safe to collect food. That's not random behavior. That's urban intelligence. A language we don't understand. Crows don't just caw randomly. They have different calls for danger, food, territory, threats. They can even imitate human voices and other animal sounds. Some researchers believe crows have regional accents, meaning a crow from one area sounds different from another. They're not just communicating. They're evolving language. Why humans fear crows. Across history, crows were linked to death, war, and prophecy. They appear in myths, religions, legends. Why? Because they watch. They wait. They remember. They're not aggressive hunters. They're observers, and humans fear being watched by something they don't understand. The truth about crows. Crows are not evil. They are not omens. They are thinkers. A bird with memory, strategy, and awareness. They adapt faster than most animals. They learn from mistakes. They pass knowledge across generations. Nothing about crows is normal. And maybe that's why they've survived alongside humans for thousands of years. Watching, learning, waiting.